Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio and Visual in Winchester. Here's a video of a Transporter T6 camper having a KENWOOD DMX9720XDS in. Jump in. Here we go. So as you can see, it's a really nice fitment. This can move backwards and forwards to stop reflection, which is really quite nice. We've also used the original port here for the USB, although this has got wireless CarPlay as well as wired, as well as Android Auto, wireless and wired. You can see here, we've got FM, DAB, we've got CarPlay, Android Auto, as I said. You have got USB direct, so if you put a memory stick into the USB with your high-res music, it will play through there. It's also connected to the steering wheel controls, so all the volume up and down works. You've also got a camera connected here, so you've got a camera button. You can press the camera button and it comes up on the screen. It also goes into reverse. When you go into reverse, it comes up and it gives you the guidelines. If you'd like to have this done in your Transporter, we do T5s, T5.1s, T6, T6.1s, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.